Hey Hal, welcome to my session. So today I'm going to show you that is high availability Kubernetes master node setup. So we have the best feature that is that cluster concept in the Kubernetes. So by using that cluster concept, we can able to configuring single master node setup or otherwise multi-master node setup or otherwise multi-node setup. So today I'm going to show you that multi-master node as well as the multi nodes cluster setups. So I will show you that. That is that in this see for that I have taken one image. So in this image you are able to see that three master nodes, that is that master replica A and master replica B and master replica C. These three masters in different zones, that is zone 1 and zone 2, zone 3, that is that AZ1 and AZ2 and AZ3. So here I have taken like that AZ1 and AZ2 and AZ3. So here that so when we configure the multi-masters, so the one master has the all components. Those are like API server, and API server is containing the database, that is that etcd. Here the etcd is containing the key stores like controller keys as well as the third part certificates keys, that is a root certificates keys as well as the client certificate keys, and those keys those SSL certificates like SSL certificates and the TLS certificates and the ciphers. So that is the different concept, so I will explain you later. So and second that it's containing the scheduler, and third that it's containing the control manager, and after that it's containing the cluster autoscaler. So in the one master node it's become active, and it's containing API server. Rest of things it's maintaining one server. Rest these main, so it's become a main master node, and rest of the servers will become the passive. So it's like an active passive mode. The active server master node have all components, those all are in the active state, and the rest of the masters have the, I mean that masters that become the passive nodes. So those have only API server and 83. Rest of the components will into the passive mode. So like this setup is there, and after that same thing the nodes also we can able to scale up in one node or otherwise 10 nodes. I will show you in the detail. So the node have their node manager. It's like a kubelet. The kubelet is communicating to the API server and do the respective actions like provisioning of the pods and provisioning of the containers and provisioning the deploying of any microservices like MSA, that is microservices architecture. The whole thing today I'm going to show you. So don't waste the time. Let's get into the session. So these are the scripts already I have what to call move into the desired location. So I mean that already I had taken request instance. So we right now you are able to see that there is a three nodes are running. So those nodes are like single master setup, single master and single node setup. So now I want to scale up the master as well as the node. I will show you that. So first, as per diagram, I will scale up the master. So for that, what are the scripts is important. I have what to noted here. Okay, yeah, these are the scripts, guys. So previously, I mean that in the previous sessions, I have done these all things. So installation of Kubernetes setup already I have done. Then destroying of the Kubernetes setup already I had done. Then scale up the Kubernetes setup. So this session is that scale up the Kubernetes session. So let's get into the directory. Then list out the all scripts. So my intention is that first scale up the master. If it is fine, then I will scale up the master up to into 5. So already I have one master node. So now I'm going, so means that as per diagram, I have the only one master. So now I'm going to bring up the rest of the passive masters. I will show you. Yes. So guys, this is a script already I have configured, and now I'm going to bring up the what to call three masters, and after that update the cluster, and once it's the update the cluster, so it gives that uh, desired count for that us. So what to call, I have done the couple of steps. After that you guys able to see that it is a master node. It's already only one, and minimum is required 3 and maximum is required 3. One node is that. After a couple of minutes we can able to see that the AWS will what to call provisioning the rest of the masters. So guys, see this, here we have only 3 nodes are running, not the rest of the nodes are terminated. If I give the refresh here, it will bring up the master nodes. Yes guys, yes. So 2 are initiated. So already one master node is already exist. So because of that, so it is provisioning the 2 masters. So totally 3 masters. So as per my configuration, my desired thing is that desired masters minimum 3 and max 3. So based on that, it is provisioning the 2 nodes, 2 master nodes. So right, so finally I have the 3 master nodes. Okay guys, it's running, and a couple of minutes those the rest of the 2 master nodes will come into the picture. So as I explained it in this diagram, so one master is become active and rest of the master nodes will become a passive. So wait guys, wait some more time. So the master node is bring up the AWS. Okay, so until first getting to that, go and check, we can go and check that configuration of this instance, what is happening in the background. So check the status. So those are in the initial state. So the checks we most important. So if the checks is fail, the instance will automatically goes down. So keep in mind guys. So okay, okay, what happening guys? Yes, still those are very initializing. Okay, okay guys. So meanwhile I will go and bring up the master notes. Okay, no, just wait some time, just I will show you, then I will move into the scale up of the nodes. Yeah guys, you guys are able to see the 2 checks are passed. So it's saying that right. So in my environment right now I have 3 master nodes. Right, these are the 3 so guys, don't get confused. Some master nodes or previous levels configured, those are in the terminate mode. So here you guys are able to see 1 and 2 and 3. So these are the 3 nodes I have bring up here. So this is the master setup. So here is fine. So now I'm going to the dashboard, then I will show you. Right now you guys are just seeing 2 nodes only, right? So if I do the refresh, right, so okay, right. So yes guys, so this is the dashboard. In the dashboard we can able to see the what was happening in the background. So this is the node, this is the node of one sec guys, I will copy the internal IP, then I will go here, then I will search whether it is which master node it was. Okay, okay, is 170 to 16, not this one, and whether this one not, no, this one also, and whether this one, okay, I think the first one. So guys, so better I will grab the what to call get nodes. Yeah, okay, a master node, and because I told you right, the rest of the nodes are into the passive mode. That is 170 to 20, 60 to 120 AV required. This is not one. Yes, yeah, this is the one we are looking for. Yeah, right, got it. So this is the master node. It is reflected in the the console dashboard. So what it actually it is containing in the dashboard, what are the things we can able to see, that is that by using the labels we can able to find out that node all information, like the node architecture and the node size and the operating system and the region and which region it is configured. So as per this label, I have configured my instance in, right, in AZ. Okay, then after that this is the uh, region and this is the zone. This is one region and this is the protocol zone. You know, I guess this is the available region and this is the region. So right after that is this is one and this architecture. Okay, this is guys, this is the master node. So this label is representing that it is the, so these are the master nodes. You guys are able to see that. So these are the master nodes label. Okay, and then after that this architecture and their internal IP and there are second one and this one. See guys, you guys able to see that here, two roles, master roles. So like that, after that this is no annotation and coming to the networking aspect of the node. So that is the resource information, that is their ascider and their zone as well as their ID, their internal IP and external IP, as well as the scheduler. Coming to the system information, that is the machine ID, and this is the important guys, that is UID, universal user identity. So some we will use this UID in a lot of aspects. So later I will explain you. After that, this is boot ID and the kernel version, which Linux kernel version it is working. That is the 4.9.0.0 PDM. After that, the OS image. So these are the like a container runtime information, next to a kubelet version, next to kubeproxy information, operating system, and architecture. So coming to that, their CPU memory, we can able to ports, we can able to figure out here. I mean that this node how much code request is coming here and limit, this is one, this is the request and this is the limit. So same thing, that is memory. So like requesting this one and limit this one, and coming to the pods allocation. So this is the memory CPU for this one. So after that, so this is the conditions. So like network is available or network unavailable, the memory pressure, disk pressure, like PID pressure, lots of things like that. After that, in these nodes, what are the pods we had deployed over here? That is DNS controller, API controller, proxy controller, scheduler, like that. So after that, the events. This the status of the this node, like that. So coming to the this one is that node. Same thing, guys. Previously, what are the things that I have explained over here? Same thing. It will be reflected over here. So now I'm going to decrease the master nodes from 3 to 1. Yeah, we can able to do a lot of things, guys, like in different division we can able to provision the masters and what to call different sizes, different things. So guys, ready is already 3, but my desired count is that I want only one should be up and one should be there max. So wait some more time, guys. So here you guys able to see that totally 4 nodes are running, but as per my count is that it should be decreased. Some mentions should be terminated, shutdown state. Yeah, see guys, as per my count, so the 2 master nodes will going to down. Wait some more time, guys. So it will give the output like shut down the rest of the master nodes. Those who are in the passive mode. So as per this diagram, I have configured the active passive setup. So active node is that one master node and passive nodes are 2 nodes. So I have configured 2 and I decrease this 2. So we can able to configure multiple nodes like 10, 15 as per our requirement. But it is depending on a lot of POCs. So after that, yeah, guys. So here right now only one master node is running and one what to call one normal node is running. That is a single master node setup is running. So this is the first master node setup. Masters high availability. So now I'm going to show you that nodes high availability. So right now, guys, I have only one node, that is like one node. Yes, the running is only one node, guys. But what to call rest of the nodes are in the terminator mode. Okay, guys, the running is the only one node. So I'm going to bring up some more nodes. So same thing, guys. I have configured the what to call scripts. So by using the script, we can able to bring up nodes, how many nodes we want. So I'm looking for the uh, 5 nodes, 6 nodes. So by using these things, we can able to bring up the nodes and bring scale up the nodes and scale down the nodes. Yes, guys. So wait some more time. See, previously we have seen that master node configuration. We have seen that we have bring up the master nodes up to 3. But this time I'm going to show that nodes only. So nodes running is the one. I mean the ready is the one node, and my desired minimum is 6, maximum 6. So means that already one is running. So it will the AWS will provide 5 nodes, right? Total will be become a 6. So if you go and see here, we have only one node. It is running. If I give the refresh, it will provision in the 5 nodes, which those are running state. Okay, guys, keep in mind. So rest of the nodes will in the terminated. So like for your identification, I have searching this one what to call node word. By using this word, right now only one instance is running, rest of the instance in the terminated. If I give the refresh, it will produce provisioning, it will provision 5 more nodes. Oh, already it is provisioned, guys. Right, so like one, two, three, four, five are provisioning. As I told you, right, already one is existing there, one node is already exist. So the required is minimum 6, maximum is 6. So because of this count, the replica controller replica set, oh, it find that already one is existing there. So I need to provisioning the 5 more nodes. I mean that as per this diagram, so the one node already is exist. So if I go that, if I want to enhancing that node up to 6, already one is exist there, so it will provisioning the rest of the 5. The same situation is happening over here. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 nodes are initializing, right? Yeah, so wait some more time, guys. So yeah, you can able to see the count over here, guys. So like yeah, totally I have 14 nodes. In that 14 nodes, some master nodes are this one and the normal nodes are there. The nodes are running. So we can able to list the nodes. So here I have different some command. By using this command we can able to figure out the node list. Okay, guys, see, while it is provisioning that, the APS server will maybe communicating to the client, that is a kubectl, or may not be. So wait some more time, just give some time, free time to the APS server to provisioning these all nodes, then it will give the output to us. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, one node is configured, 1, 2, 3, 4 are pending. Yes, one node is configured and come into the picture, and the rest of the 4 nodes are waiting, and those are will come in few more seconds. Just wait until. So this is the like we need to uh, bring up this setup. So we will give the high availability for our Kubernetes cluster. Actually, what is the benefit of the high availability? Because if we will do lot of activities on nodes, right? If any one node goes down, either cause like CPU utilization, or is cause like I will show you here, right? It's cause like CPU utilization or memory utilization, something pods utilization, the one node will goes down. Then what will happen? Our application will be collapsed. Our business will be goes down. So because of that, we will go for the high availability. That is that multiple horizontal nodes. So if one node goes down, no problem. Our master will communicate with another node. So it will replicate everything from this crash node to the newer node, and the application will be up and running. So we don't have any business impact. So that is the beauty of the high availability. So let me check, guys, whether the instances all are come into the picture. Yeah, all are all are in the running state. So you guys are able to see over here. So like if I go and search that nodes, right, guys, you guys are see lot of nodes, but some nodes are in the terminating mode. So like this. Okay, guys. So if you see that running 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One is master node, and normal thing is that my kubectl node. So this is the way we can scale up the nodes. Okay. So now let me list out the nodes over here. Yeah, guys, you guys are able to see here. 1 2 and 3 4 5 6. So we have 5 nodes, 6 nodes totally. So if I fire this one, right, what will happen? Let me see, guys. Yeah, this is the versioning and running and everything. So we have the 6 nodes. Okay, okay. This is the way we will scale up the uh, nodes. So now I'm going to scale down the nodes. But I don't want this 6 instances, guys. Just I want only one instance is enough for my classes. So once I done that one, then yeah, we need to perform a couple of steps. It is what to call, do the changes in the cluster environment, because the cluster doesn't know that what to do. So that's why we need to perform the couple of steps. Then it will do that. So guys, see, previously I was bringing up some nodes going up to 6 nodes, right? The ready state is 6, but I'm planning to change my configuration plan. That is that I'm decreasing my nodes up to, like, minimum is 1 node is required and max is required. So but running is a 60 showing. So if I give the you guys are able to see these are the nodes. If I give the refresh here, the nodes will goes down one by one. See, guys, you guys are able to see 1 2 3 4 5. Here you are, have you noticed that here we have count is 6. So I want only one should be min, no? One should be max. So as per this one, rest of the 5 nodes will be goes down, right? Right. The AWS the same thing is going doing here. Have you noticed that? This is the one and second and third and fourth. This is the 5. 5 nodes are going down here. Those are the shadows. Previously I will see that only, right, 3. Rest of the shutting down. So 5 nodes are shutting down. If I give the refresh, those instances will be terminated. Remember, guys. Instance is still loading. Might take a little bit more. Uh, yes, we can able to see here the console what is happening. We can able to see. Okay. Yes. Some HTTP is failure. Whether connection is secure. Yes, its connection is secure. Okay. Okay. Hmm. Okay, guys. 4 no instance will shut terminated. Well, one is shutting down. Wait some more time, guys. This instance node also will be terminated. Hmm. Yeah, one node is still shut downing. Come on. Come on. Yo, it is just still loading. Any instances are still loading. We need to wait some more time, guys. So this is the way we need to bring up the instances, either must node instant or normal nodes. Okay, guys. So okay, I will show you. Wait some more time. Then I will finish the session. What's happening? and it's loading. Yes guys, that one was a terminal. There is no shadowing state images. So this session, so when I calling from scratch, what I done, so first I will find out the master node, then scale up the master node and decrease the master node. Same thing, the strategy applied here in the nodes. I will find out the node, how many nodes are running, whether one or two. So previously I had only one node is running. So after that, increasing up to 5 nodes, then decreasing these 5 nodes. Right. So anything left, which yes. Okay, persistence volume. Okay, config map. Okay, guys, this is all. I will explain you in the further classes. Thank you, guys. Please do the like and please support me in the YouTube channel. So I will post the more videos. Thank you, guys.